So once you've opened your assignment checklist, this is the first tab you're going to see. So you see that in Google Sheets, there are tabs on the bottom for different pages and different classes. The first one is My Things, stuff I need to remember. So each student should have filled out with their student number, any login or passwords, and then they can add anything that they want. So here's how this works for assignments. So all of them have like blank spaces, check marks so that when they do complete it, it crosses it off, a spot for their grade, a place for their date, and this is basically built for them to use as they need. But I highly recommend that they use this at the beginning of the week to check what they need to do by Friday. So in 6th grade, all of the assignments that are assigned in a particular week are due that Friday. It is not accepted after 1 week unless you have an arrangement specifically with your teacher. So what I encourage my kids to do is to fill out their checklist for that current week. So how they would do that is that they have to visit each individual teacher's Weebly page. And so I have easily linked it for them so that they can go from here. This goes into my digital classroom, which is a layout of each week. And I personally have both of the weekly assignments listed per week. So they are also listed at the bottom of every 6th grade teacher's agenda in a copy and paste format. And so like I had mentioned before, the links to the teacher's pages are all on the top of each tab for each class. So this goes straight to Ms. Jimenez Math and Science. And so on the top, you see a science agenda and a math agenda. So if we are in the science agenda, again, just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see the assignments that are due and graded for this week. Since I know it is week 6, I am going to put that there for my reminder. So this is a great way for our students to get used to the fact that they have to be on top of their work, to find out what they need to do ahead of time. And that way this list does not get overwhelming unless it becomes super long and you have all these unchecked marks and it does become very stressful. So I try to get the students into the habit of filling out their checklist so it's only just a little bit every single week, and that way it doesn't end up becoming a, whoa, I have so much to do. So please encourage your students to utilize this checklist. And remember that parents, you can use this too. If you would like me to personally invite you into this Google Doc, I can. Just send me an email and I'd be happy to do that. So this checklist was designed to make it as easy and clear as possible for your students to stay organized each week with all of the assignments that they need to complete. So I hope that's helpful. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to support you and your student. And I appreciate you taking the time to invest in your students' success.